Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game. So without wasting time, here follow the solutions. First solution is steps to fix sound problem in Sonic Racing CrossWorlds. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on System, click on Sound, scroll down, click on More Sound Settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Go to Spatial Sound tab, and from the drop down select Off, then hit on Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if the sound or audio problem is fixed or not. If not, and if Spatial Sound is already set to off, then from drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Solution 2. A step to fix sound or audio problem in Sonic Racing CrossWorlds if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Go to Services tab, uncheck Hands-Free Telephony, Remote Control and Remotely Controllable Device. Click on Apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Solution 3 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using any headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Solution 4 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc., and then check. Solution 5 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio problem in Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.